10 things rich people never do. Learn the secrets to living like the wealthy. Are you tired of living an average life and wondering how the other half lives? Well, today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of the wealthy and reveal 10 things they never do. From DIY home improvement to budget vacations, get ready to be inspired to live life like the rich and famous. But don't worry, we won't judge you if you still prefer fast food and public transportation. After all, who needs a yacht when you have a bus pass? Let's jump in and explore the world of the rich and fabulous. 1. Shop at discount stores. Instead of shopping at discount stores, rich and richer tend to shop at high-end boutiques and designer stores. After all, who needs a bargain when you have money to burn? 2. Eat fast food. Fast food is a no-go for many wealthy people, who prefer to dine at high-end restaurants or hire personal chefs to cook their meals. Plus, would you need a burger when you can have a lobster tail? 3. Use public transportation. Forget about taking the bus or train. People with gold cards often use private drivers or their own luxury cars to get around. 4. Watch reality TV. Reality TV is a guilty pleasure for many of us, but not for the rich and famous. They tend to avoid such shows and instead indulge in high-quality dramas and documentaries. 5. Go on a budget vacation. Why stay in a budget hotel when you can rent a private villa or stay at a 5-star resort? Wealthy individuals tend to vacation in style, with all the amenities money can buy. 6. DIY home improvement. Why bother doing home improvements yourself when you can hire a team of professionals? Rich people tend to hire architects, designers, and contractors to create their dream homes. 7. Skip spa treatments. Who needs a DIY face mask when you can have a professional facial or massage? Wealthier individuals tend to indulge in luxurious spa treatments to unwind and relax. 8. Avoid luxury brands. When it comes to fashion, affluent folks prefer to gravitate towards high-end designer brands like Gucci, Prada, and Chanel. After all, nothing says luxury like a designer label. 9. Live in a small space. Tiny homes might be all the rage, but well-heeled people certainly prefer spacious, luxurious homes with plenty of room for entertaining and relaxation. 10. Skip on security. When it comes to personal safety, you should take extra precautions. From bodyguards to high-tech security systems, rich citizens spare no expense to ensure their safety and privacy. So, is there anything you used to do that you're ready to ditch in favor of the high life? Don't panic. Just because the wealthy may not use buses and trains doesn't mean we can't. In fact, using public transportation can be a great way to save money and reduce our carbon footprint. So the next time you're on a bus or train, remember that you're making a conscious choice to be financially savvy and eco-friendly. And who knows? Maybe you'll even spot a wealthy individual slumming it on public transportation. After all, stranger things have happened. So go forth and live your best life, whether that means cruising around town in a luxury car or hopping on the bus like a budget-savvy boss. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.